Hey guys, it's Ray. Today we're going to be talking about mobile applications. What are they? Does your business actually need one? What are the features with mobile applications today? What can you do with them? And that kind of stuff. I want to first tell you, I actually was looking for my own iPad application, and I was really bummed out after receiving 3 different quotes that the prices range from about $4,000 to over $10,000 for a single iPad application. So I know that if that's the prices I'm finding, more than likely you're finding the same prices out there. Well, I got some good news. I just partnered up with a company that offers custom mobile applications for a fraction of the price. I mean, the stuff that you can do today is probably even more than what I was getting quoted on before. Let me show you some of the things that you can do with your own custom mobile application.
Let's start off with the simple stuff like tell a friend. This makes every person who has your application pretty much an advocate for you, and they can share your business or your service with other people by simply clicking any of these icons from directly within their mobile device. Now this GPS coupons, is really cool stuff. This allows you to automatically reward people who visit your store or your business, and the GPS will validate that they are actually at your store for the visits, and you could automatically send them a coupon after the right amount of visits to your store. This is some really cool stuff here, and I know that a lot of businesses can use this kind of reward system built directly into a mobile device. Now, some of the other basics are giving people who have your application the ability to either visit your website or send you an email or even make a call on that mobile device or get directions directly to your front door. Now, push notifications is just a simple way of being able to share information directly to those mobile devices like an alert, and it will pop up. And in this example, they talk about Burger Bar would like to send you a notification. This can be a great way to promote coupons or specials that you have and get the attention of the person who has the mobile device. Now, here's another great example of utilizing social media. We've incorporated a fan wall. This allows people who visit your site and people who have your app on their mobile device to leave you a message, and we call it the fan wall. And it allows you to create instant social proof by letting customers post comments to your fan wall. And as it says, there's no greater spokesperson for your business than a happy client. Now, event listings, this is a great little feature too. This allows you to have like almost your own calendar for your customers. So if you want to promote something that's going on at your business, they could see what's going on by accessing the event listings. The event listings is a great way to, as it says, organize and display all of your business events inside your application. Now here's another group of really awesome features. Having GPS directions makes it easy for your customers to find you using the GPS that's already built into their phone or their iPad device. And allowing them to plug in points of interest just tells them what's around your business that they also may want to frequent. It kind of gives the neighborhood overview. Now also QR coupons, this is the latest trend. This allows you to have what looks like a little barcode on an advertisement or some kind of print form, and people with smartphones now can scan that and they can get up-to-date information about what you're offering. As it says here, QR-enabled coupons are a hot new trend. Use them easily for your customers to redeem your special offers. Now, here's the basics too. Business information. Let's say you just want to tell them what you offer and what days are your specials. You could give them business information directly to their mobile application. And also, you definitely want to do mailing lists, so this makes it convenient for them to sign in. So then you can communicate with them with offline marketing via email to remind them that, hey, next Wednesday or next month you're running a special, and that gets delivered directly to their email address. Now this is also pretty cool. This allows customers to post photos in a gallery that is optimized for your phone. So no longer do you have to scroll all the way to the left and all the way to the right to see a picture. These have been optimized to fit perfectly within your Android or your iPhone. And of course, we have all the social media integration that you'd ever want. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. These are all just a click away with inside your mobile application. And as you look, there's so many more features like full social media integration with LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. A complete third-party integration with blogs and podcasting and Wufoo and one-touch calling. So if they want to call you, it pops up. They can just push a button and they're making a phone call directly to your business. You know, we also have more advanced stuff like video integration, so you could do live events that get streamed directly to that application on your phone, and email marketing, complete analytics, SoundCloud, so they could easily hear audio files online. And of course, this is all Apple compatible, Android compatible, and HTML5, which is the latest, newest kind of internet programming language available. So you can see all these different features that are offered, and you get all this. I mean, all these features for less than $600 to get this custom design for you. You got to jump on it before they change their mind and before the prices go back up. So hopefully you found this information very informative, and if I could help you with understanding a little bit more about how your business can benefit by using any of these services, and show you how your business can start using some of the coolest technology at a really affordable price. You know how to get in touch with me. Follow the links on this page or underneath this video, and I will look forward to working with you real soon. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day and take care.